video, I'm going to show you how to wall hop in mobile. So open Roblox and join wall hop. So just wait. Now move the wall and look the wall side and hold jump and just spam shift log just like this. So it will be better, but it cannot just like that, just like this. Now as you can see, you can do that. If you don't want it, just flip like this. If try it again, then say if you like this video, I'll show you it will be the end. Wait until it closes. See, you aren't here, so if you want this channel, like and subscribe. So I'll do this. I will do the wall flip over. I'm not gonna do it. So we will use that by let's keep easy. So please like and subscribe if the video saved you, and thank you for watching my videos. So goodbye.